Hi guys, hello.
Hello. Today we are on the quest. We will save the dragon and save the princess.
In fact, we are going to visit Milengrad castle.
Yes, we will.
Let's see.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Milengrad castle is believed to have been built in the late 13th and early 14th century, after the Mongol invasion. The castle changed owners over the time. Even after the weakening of the Ottoman Empire, the castle was abandoned. The castle contained a defensive wall at the edge of the cliff, 2 cannon towers and the palace. Renovation of the castle began a couple of years ago, and we hope it will finally shine in its old glory.